the correct way to understand how to use smart features in PowerPoint. Many people get confused when using SmartArt in PowerPoint, so we're going to avoid these mistakes and create it in a sharp and precise way. We will now use 3 countries, each with 3 provinces: Canada, Japan, and Egypt. For each country, we will use 3 provinces and export them into SmartArt so that the example becomes clear in front of us. Pay attention to the part I'm pointing at on the left side. It will make writing extremely easy for you. Here we press Enter so we can write the main branch, the country, and then write the provinces of that country. So you must press Enter in the panel on the left so you can create the sub-branches under the main name. In this way, we can write the provinces with precision, and each one can be placed separately so that all the data is organized in PowerPoint for displaying on the projector. At the same time, this also helps avoid mistakes, and you can move elements around easily so the data doesn't get mixed up again. After finishing entering the data, we can also add the flags of these countries as pictures. When the images appear on the left side, they will make the design look really nice. And keep in mind, if you make a mistake, you can easily go back or fix the image by clicking from below and entering this section, where you can change the picture. It's very possible that you might accidentally insert the wrong one, so from this place, you can replace it with the correct image for that country. We have finished today's explanation of SmartArt, the correct way, and how to insert it properly. We hope you subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you can receive all new updates. Thank you, and see you next time.